I love shotgun microphones, but I hate everything that comes with them. If you want to use a proper XLR shotgun, you usually need phantom power. And if you like me, use hybrid cameras, extra hardware, and these horrible XLR cables. Today, I'm getting rid of all of that. Now, this microphone is completely wireless. So this is the brand new Saramonic K9 XTX, a device that can make almost any XLR microphone wireless, and much more. In this kit you get XTX adapter, a K9 receiver, one K9 transmitter with a lavalier microphone, plus all the cables you might need to connect it all to your camera or even your phone if you wanted to. This isn't cheap, but it also isn't trying to compete with the DJI mic or Rode wireless systems. It does things those simply can't. So the question is, can this finally make professional XLR audio as simple as using a DJI microphone? Possibly. The way this works is actually very simple. This plugs straight into your microphone and talks wirelessly to the K9 receiver on your camera. That's it. No XLR cable running across the floor, nothing to trip over, nothing to fight with to roll up afterwards. Long XLR cables have always been one of my biggest frustrations. This makes using a shotgun microphone so much easier, especially when working alone or in a very small team. Superb solution to use with boom, handheld or tripod mounted, and the latency is so low that I couldn't notice it during use, and the wireless range is really good thanks to those antennas. Of course, this isn't what determines the sound quality. That's still down to the microphone you're using. What XTX does gives you the freedom to use any microphone wirelessly. Just like the original K9 transmitters, the XTX comes with a built-in recorder and even includes a supply 64GB micro SD cards. It's no real surprise that it can record internally in 32-bit float. So regardless if you are using this feature as a backup recording or main recording, you can fix too quiet or too loud recordings easily in post. What's very important to me and what really attracted me to this in the first place is phantom power. Using hybrid cameras, I don't have the luxury of XLR inputs with 48-volt phantom power. I deliberately shoot with hybrid cameras because I like keeping my kits small. The last thing I want is an external recorder hanging off the side just to power a microphone. This supplies power to the microphone, fixes that problem, obviously adds wireless functionality at the same time. Unlike DJI, Rode or Saramonic Ultra systems that use 2.4 GHz, this operates on professional UHF frequencies. That gives you access to a much wider range of channels, making it far easier to avoid interference when you're filming in a busy environment. That's what makes this appeal to more professional users. A very cool feature is that you can control and adjust pretty much any setting of XTX or the receiver and the transmitters via free Saramonic system app. This is great for adjusting settings when the mic is mounted on the boom and you are behind the camera. You got no easy access to the microphone. These are not only very good looking, but also very well designed and well built, and feel like they survive being thrown into a camera bag every day. All units can be powered by standard AA batteries. Most pros prefer this over constantly charging devices, but you can also power each of them via USB-C as well if you really need to. Overall, I'm super impressed with the quality of everything here and how useful it is. Price-wise, $749 for this full kit is a steal, especially if you take into consideration the fact that you also get the lavalier microphone and transmitter as well, all together in this very neat hard case. Downsides, the biggest one is that due to some ridiculous rules, if you live in the US, you can't record internally while sending wireless audio to your camera at the same time. Only in the US though. Everywhere else this works exactly as you'd expect. This is something I have been dreaming about for years. This is already replacing XLR cables in my kit. I honestly can't see myself going back. I know this won't be for everyone. Most people watching this will probably be perfectly happy with something like a DJI mic. But if you already invested in a good XLR microphone and you've always wanted to use it wirelessly without carrying an external recorder and XLR cables, this is one of the smartest bits of audio gear I've used in a long time. It's definitely staying in my camera bag. What do you think? Do you have any XLR shotgun mics that you'd like to make wireless with this? Let me know in the comments below. And this is from me. Thank you for watching. Check out this video. YouTube knows that you want to watch it next, so check it out. See you in the next one.